This is an issue you might have run into once or twice before, a broken headband slider. Even though the headphones seem sturdy, these small plastic pieces are probably the weakest link. This is most commonly seen among the Beyerdynamic DT series headphones. DT770, 880 and my personal favorites DT990 Pro. What is the easiest fix, you might ask? Well, for a quick solution you can use super glue, though it won't look as pristine and you won't be able to adjust the height anymore. The long-term solution would probably consist of you purchasing a new slider. With shipping that would be around $40 depending on where you live. It's a lot more expensive, but at least the issue won't crop up in the near future. But the original plastic is extremely fragile. Here you can see a piece which was made in Germany just snap into two like it's some sort of uncooked spaghetti. Quite unfortunate judging from how expensive one of these actually are. And if you break them suddenly, your expensive headphones aren't as convenient to use anymore. But thanks to today's achievements in technology, we can try a different approach, 3D printed parts. Here are a couple of dozen pieces I managed to get printed. They are the same as the originals you see on the headphones, with one exception. These ones are quite sturdy and won't break anywhere near as easily, which makes me wonder why are these standard sliders so fragile in comparison. Plus the printed ones are a lot cheaper. You can find free drafts on the internet and 3D printers are quite common these days. I'm sure there is one in your city right now which you could probably use for a small fee. On the off chance you don't have an access to a 3D printer, message me and I'm sure I could ship you one of my pieces for a lot cheaper than you see on the internet. Now I can finally show you how to change one of these on a pair of DT990s. You will most likely need a screwdriver for this job, so get yourself equipped with one. Remove the two screws on the back of the broken slider piece. Be sure not to throw them out because we're gonna use them for our replacement slider. Take the new headband slider piece which goes from the inside of the headphones first. Place it on below the wire. This is important because the wire stays on the outside. Make sure the screw holes align with the metal section. Put the screws in and then the other plastic slider segment. Squeeze it on tight. Don't worry, you won't break it, hopefully. If there aren't any visible gaps in the middle, then tighten the screws. And that is all you had to do. I'm certain that they won't break before anything else in the headphones. Only thing you should watch out for is the slider on the other side, unless you changed it beforehand, which is what I would suggest you do. What I only noticed at the end of this guide is that the freshly printed pieces seem to hold in place tighter. It probably has to do with the plastic the company used for manufacturing. That does it for this one. Comment below if you have any issues or want to see me tackle another problem commonly faced by headphone users. Goodbye.